relationship between productivity and physical and mental health. Video presentation. Student Jennifer Dayana Rodriguez Luna. Program Accounting and Financial Information Management. Instructor Piedad Claros. What is productivity? Productivity is the ability to complete tasks efficiently. Good physical and mental health improves performance. Benefits: better concentration, higher quality work, less stress, more motivation. Why health matters? Physical health, exercise regularly, eat healthy food, get enough sleep. Mental health, manage stress, take breaks, stay organized, keep a positive attitude. Conclusion: productivity is not about working longer hours. It is about working in a healthy and smart way. Taking care of your physical and mental health helps you achieve better results in your studies and work. Thank you.